In this video, we are going to discuss the language of relation and function. So first, what is relation? So relation is any set of ordered pair. This set of all first component of ordered pair is called the domain of the relation, and the set of all second component is called the range. So it is a rule that relates values from a set of values. The set of all x values is called the domain, and the set of all y values is called the range. Example, find the domain in relation of the given relation. In the given relation A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the given relation B, negative 2, 4, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 0, 1, 5, 2, negative 2. So, this is the solution from the given relation of A. The domain 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. The range 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the solution from the given relation of B. The domain negative 2, negative 1, 1, 2. The range negative 2, 0, 1, 4, and 5.
The next discussion is about the function. Function is a relations in which no two other pairs have the first components and the second components. Function is described that here shall be the only one outputs for each input, or we can say that the special kinds of the relations the set with the others ay order pairs. Sa functions, hindi pwede maulit yung input kasi hindi siya matatawag na functions. Tapos, dapat the only one. Halimbawa, sa number 1, 2, tapos 2, 3. Hindi siya na doble dun sa input. Matatawag siyang functions. So, never x value just be associate of the only one y value. Functions is the respondent between a first set called the domain, and the second set is a range that each element sa domain respondent excellent the one elements in the range. The domain is a set of all x or input value. We can mainly describe it as the collections of the first value in the other pairs. The range is the set of the all y or outputs value. We can mainly describe it is the collections. As in lahat po ng x sa domain ay nauuna is input, lahat po yung ikalawa ay output. Example, remaining the weather of the given the relations present on functions. Domains and range. Domains is a collections of the first value. The x value or input. The name is Belen, Juby, and Maris. The range is the collections of the y value or outputs. The Joward, Gerald, and Banyan. This example, the domain and range is hindi na doble yung function niya. As in yung ginamit is ones to ones functions. Halimbawa dito kay Juby and kay Chubert, kay Herbert na na function kasi hindi siya na doble dun sa ibang pangalan. Tapos kay Maris and kay Gerald is a functions kasi yun din na ulit din yung pangalan niya. This example is describe the functions, the domain and range.
Let us determine if the given relation represents a function. Now, what is a function? A function is actually a special kind of relation because it follows an extra rule. Let me define what is domain and range. A domain is a set of all input or first value of a function. Input values are generally x values of a function, or a collection of the first value in the ordered pair. And what is a range? A range of a function is a collection of all output or second values. Output values are y values of a function, or it is a collection of the second values in the ordered pair. In the given example, in example A, Bilen is being traced to Banjo, Jovi is traced to Hubert, and Maris is traced to Richard. In the example, the relation is a function because each element in the domain corresponds to a unique element in the range. Each element of the domain is being traced to one and only element in the range. In example B, Beth is traced to 27, Jovi is traced to 28, Mavic is traced to 25, while Joey is traced to 30, and Glenn is also traced to 30. In this example, the relation is still a function because each element in the domain corresponds to unique element in the range. Notice that more than one element in the domain can correspond to the same element in the range. It is okay for two or more values in the domain to share a common value in the range. That is, even Joey and Glenn in the domain share the same value of 30 in the range, and this relation is still a function.